These days, many home security cameras require subscription fees, and with all my other subscription services, I wasn't looking to increase my monthly expenses. That's why I decided to go with the latest Ansque GU11 security camera kit. There's no subscription fee required, and they're solar powered. In this video, I'll give you a full overview and show you all the features I enjoy. I got the 4 camera kit, but there's also a 2 camera kit as well. The Ansque cameras have a boxy look to them, and they all connect to a Wi-Fi base station. On the front is a 133-degree lens with f2 aperture, a motion sensor, infrared and LED lights, as well as a microphone. On top is an integrated solar panel which helps keep this whole thing compact. For mounting, there's a gimbal-style bracket on the back. Looking at the bottom, you'll find a speaker, and underneath the flap, there's a USB-C port as well as power and reset buttons. The base station is really simple. There's a power port, Ethernet connection, and sync button. The kit comes with everything you see here, including a power adapter, USB-C cables, mounting hardware, mounting templates, Ethernet cable, and instruction manual. To get this set up, the first thing to do is charge up all the cameras. Then power up the base station. Finally, plug in the Ethernet cable. Next, use this QR code found in the manual to download the Ansque app for iPhone or Android. Now, turn on all the cameras and follow the detailed instructions in the app. It's actually really easy to set up.
Hello.
Once everything is up and running, the angle of the cameras can be adjusted by loosening the collar on the mounting bracket. Although in tight spots like this, it's a bit difficult to get my fingers behind the camera. With this 4 camera kit, I have enough cameras to cover all the major areas around my house. The Ansque cameras are triggered by motion, but to avoid too many unwanted recordings or notifications, I can set up detection zones. To do that, tap on settings on the desired camera. Now tap on motion detection. Here, choose detection zone. In this shot, I can tell the camera to only see motion on my driveway and sidewalk. That way, this camera won't get triggered every time a car drives by. To add another zone, just tap Add Region again. And here's something you should know. When the camera does sense motion, the center blue LED lights up, but you can actually stop that from happening. To do that, simply switch off the LED status light in the app. Okay, so let's move on to some other features. The GU11 cameras do have night vision. And as you can see here, it works very well. I'm in my backyard and it's completely dark. I can hardly see anything as I walk around. So the default look is black and white, but if you want color night vision, just go into the app again and switch that on. Color night vision works with the camera's spotlights. And here I am again in my backyard so you can see what color night vision looks like. But keep in mind that it does require the bright spotlight for it to work, so just be aware of that. There's also two-way talk with the Ansque cameras, so if someone is near one of my cameras, I can tap the talk button to speak with them. There are also pre-built messages that can be played through the speaker.
Hey, what are you doing here?
The default volume is quite loud, but you can adjust the level to avoid bothering the neighbors. Another cool feature is that I can view live shots of all 4 cameras at the same time. This is really handy because I can get a full look around my house on a single screen. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, the Ansque system is subscription free and has 32 GB of local storage. Even with 2K resolution, that should be enough because of loop recording. That means older videos will be auto-deleted as space runs out. However, if you want more storage options, you can add cloud storage, which can help ensure that you never lose a recording or run out of space. Also with cloud storage, recordings remain accessible even if the actual device is damaged. With this 4 camera setup, I can capture just about every spot I want to see around my house. One of the big features I like is that these are solar powered, which means no need for cords or charging other than the initial battery charge right out of the box. The 4 camera system is currently $380 on Amazon, but if you're on a budget, the 2 camera kit is only $270. And I'll list them all in the description so it's easy for you to find. Oh, and here's one more thing. The mounting base is actually removable, and there's a 1/4-inch screw hole under there in case you want to use a different type of mount. I really like all the advanced features in the GU11 camera system, and one of the best parts is that there's no subscription fee. Just a one-time purchase which helps keep money in my pocket. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.